Hi YouTube, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody is doing great out there. As you guys can see in the title today, it is another styling video, but this video is more of all leather. Everything I put on, we have an element of leather in it. Either all my outfit is all, my shirt, my bottom is all leather, or I have a leather pants on, or leather shirt on, or leather jacket on. We're gonna talk about leather because we know we are at the leather season. Like, it's cool outside, but it's not extremely cold. And even if it's cold out, extremely cold outside, we could still wear leather and it will still be warm, chic, looking cute, looking beautiful. If you want to see how this styling video go, why don't you stay tuned. But before we get started, if you're new here, you are most welcome. And if you are an old subscriber checking me out again, thank you so much for coming back. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe before you leave out this video. Without further ado, let's do it. Okay guys, this is the first outfit that I put together. This shirt right here is from Shein. The pants is from Fashionnova. The purse is from Target, and the shoe is also from Fashionnova. I just think this is a very beautiful, nice leather outfit that I just put together. The color is for the weather, and I look so chic, so cute, so nice. But the only thing about this shirt is it has an opening right here. So if you're trying to be extra warm and it's so cold at your location, you could put a nice black or a brown kind of long sleeve shirt on. But I think this is too cute. If you just want to do it, just put a nice jacket on top. Alright guys, this shirt right here, like you guys saw, this is a jacket from Fashionnova. So if you think you're gonna be cold and your arm is gonna be warm, all you gotta do is it's going to be cold. All you gotta do is this. Cute, huh? This is just too beautiful and too cute. I love it just the way it is. It is so cute, so chic, and you are gonna be on top of the party. Put on your makeup. Put a simple makeup like the one I have on today. Put curly hair or the straight hair like I have on, or a nice ponytail, and you are good to go to brunch, to meet a friend out, to meet your bae out, or whatever you guys have planned. I just think this is just too cute. Outfit right here, the second one that I put together. This jacket right here, this leather jacket is from Shein. The belt that I put with it is from Amazon. The shirt does come with a belt, but this belt wasn't gonna work for me. But the pants is from Fashionnova. It's just it's the black color of the first one you guys saw. And my heels is also from Fashionnova. And this is my Baglamishka purse. The lingerie bodysuit that I'm wearing under also is from Fashionnova. So guys, what do y'all think? This is, to me, this is so chic, class, and beautiful. I love it. Like, oh, you can't tell me nothing. This right here, if you live in a hot climate where the weather is not all that cold during fall, don't do this. You could do the shirt and another pants, or the pants with another shirt. Don't do this because my behind is hot, okay? I have to go turn on my AC on this one. This is hot, like, but it's cute. I love it. It is cute, classy, date night. Let me move closer for you guys to see the detail on the jacket. You guys see it's like a croc kind of what do you call it, a croc style leather jacket. And look at the arms, guys. Just look at it. Just please, let's get into the sleeve for a second. Y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Like, it is too cute. The only thing about this jacket is it doesn't come with a button, and it's kind of hard for you to just leave it like that. But if you want to do it, go ahead and do what you gotta do. This, y'all see that right here? It like went into like a V shape right over here. So cute, so sexy. So I had to go ahead and pin the two sides together so it could hold a little bit. Then I added the belt, and I put the yellow mustardy lingerie thingy under it so you give it a little bit of color, because everything is looking all black. So I just needed a little bit of color so it could look extra cute. Oh, I love it. Okay guys, this is the third outfit that I put together. This is this shirt right here. It's a set from Fashionnova. The skirt right here is a pleated skirt, and it's from Shein. My boot is also from Fashionnova. My purse is from Shein. So yes guys, this one is a button-down shirt, so I just decided to like button up one of it. If you like, you can button up everything, or if you like, you could wear something under, like a tank top under it, tuck that in, or a bodysuit, tuck that in, and then use this shirt as a jacket on top of it. But I think I look really cute with this way that I styled this one together. It is so cute. It is all in the brown family. I know somebody be like, oh, all those brown don't even match. They all brown. Chocolate brown, you know, caramel brown. We all brown, okay? But the shoe matches the shirt and this a little bit much better. The shoe has like a leopard print and stuff on it, or cheetah, whatever print it is, it's on it, and it has some. The shoe is a little scaly. So yeah guys, what you think? This is such a beautiful outfit. Beautiful, huh? I love it. Yeah, you guys know I will link everything in the description box for you guys. So if you guys want to shop for anything, it's all the way in the description box. So don't forget to check out the description box, okay? And don't forget to let me know how the art styling goes. So cute, huh? Alright y'all, this is the next outfit that I put together. The leather outfit. On the leather part of this outfit is the shirt that I have on. This is the leather shirt from Shein. You guys get into it. It's a button down shirt with a nice pocket over here, long sleeve, beautiful, nice. The best part of this shirt is the back of it. Like, what y'all think? It's different, it's cute. Like I told you guys, Shein be having some really cute, beautiful things you don't see anywhere else. And for what? For cheap price. Yes, that's what we're talking about, for cheap price. My purse is also from Shein. The pants I have on is from H&M. It's a nice little pants. I have hauled it here on my channel. It does have a zipper by the ankle. You can zip it up or zip it down. Okay, the shoe also is from Fashionnova. So cute, so chic, so beautiful. I love it. I just love the way everything came together. It's cute, it's chic, it's simple, it's beautiful. You still are warm in this, okay? Like, oh. have for you guys. The only leather article of clothing that I have on this outfit is this beautiful jacket from Shein. Can we again get into the sleeve? Y'all see the sleeve? So poofy, so beautiful, so chic. Oh my days. Oh, this is such a beautiful shirt, jacket, whatever you want to call it. You could also pair, like, just wear a bralette on the inside and just wear this as a jacket on its own. The jeans I have on is from Fashionnova. The booty that I have on is also from Fashionnova, and my purse is from Marshalls, and my shirt, like I said, is from Shein. This is cute. It's beautiful. It's chic. It's kind of classy, right? The only thing that makes it non-classy is probably my mid area showing, but I still think it's cute. I still think it's beautiful. Huh? What y'all think? So cute, right? Love it, love it, love it. Guys, don't forget to go in the comment section and let me know which of the outfit is your favorite and which one is your kind of style in all these things that I put together. And okay guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys liked all this leather outfit that I put together, and let me know which one you guys are going to be rocking for yourself and which one I rocked better in your opinion. Alright guys, don't forget to follow me on all my socials. Mrstitotv is everything: Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, also Twitter. So guys, until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah!